Yeah, I am Kumareshan, taking care of the Kalaburagi project, Kalaburagi 24% water supply project. That means that is two project is there only for first initially to one project is operation and maintenance for the total Kalaburagi, and one more project is that is a total distribution project DB project. From that O&M is the first part, first hand over to the O&M from L&T. That is a O&M. That now what happened from that O&M, all the sources, all the whatever that intake, whatever the double TP, whatever the sources is hand over to L&T. Now you want to take after takeover, you want supply to around 6 lakhs people to the customer end. That is also old network, old double TP, old everything is there. Based on that, what happened now? Lot of issues faced. Lot of issues mean nothing that quality issues, everything faced. That is our side after takeover, everything resolved actually. Then what happened, sir? Even lot of complaint came. Actually, what happened? What is the complaint means? Lot of customer not get the water. That time what happened? If you want means you dig the 5 meter once. You want just to open the pit. Then you want to check it. That means then you will not identify. That is the time taken progress. After that what happened? That camera came. After that what happened? You just install that one area. Just to open that pit. Just install means just if the after installment just you see that camera means what are the problem is there, whether choke is there, any contamination, what happened, lot of things. First any choke is there means just identify through the camera and easily rectify that. Before what happened, you want to open that area just to pit 30 meter, pit 13 meter, you want to open that. Before that you want to check it whether chokage is there, anything is there. That is one chokage part. Next part what happened, a lot of contamination faced in the Gulbarga project due to the some lot of illegal connection is there. Then what happened, that also identify, just to pass the camera, even minute particle also that captured in the camera, that is very helpful as to what happened, you are arrested the illegal connection also. Then what happened, that portion only if you want change it means that contamination issues also resolved. And around what happened, around 30, how much is around 6 lakhs, 6,000 consumer get it benefited from this camera. Because what happened, if you suppose our side that normal manpower engagements, it will take time to 3 to 4, 4 to 4, 5 months. But for the camera, within 1 hour, you want to identify that, then and there it will get the rectification done. Then and then our side also customer get the good feedback regarding this. Even what happened, Karnataka, first our L&T is used for this camera. Even paper cutting also came actually. For this camera is Kannada. Gulbarga is the first person used for this camera to identify that chokages, illegal connections. Illegal means mainly contamination. Total Gulbarga is mainly faced a lot of contamination. Even lot of contamination is resolved. Now same thing I told, a lot of choke resolved means then what happened, lost customer and get the water supply. That also good benefit from that whatever the camera technology used.
Hi, good morning all. Myself Rohit Naidu. I am working in L&T in Gulbarga district and I am looking after the NRW works carried out here, even for O&M. And we are using this camera for measure of the works in the city. Basically, this camera helps a lot us for the O&M maintenance work. We have improved drastically in the city. More than around 3 lakhs consumers have been benefited here. The main use of the camera was for removing blockages, for water quality complaints, the contaminations which we are getting, and many other leakages were found out. The most important was for blockages, where we don't know anything about the blockage, where in pipeline it might be blocked or somewhere else. So we have to take the
जैसे
trial
कि आप ये
pits
देख रहे हैं
for every 5
कि हमारा
meters,
यहाँ
10
पे एक एल्बो
meters,
है, एक
15
टी आया
meters,
है।
and then after there were no
अगर इसमें
result.
कुछ ब्लॉकेज
But
होगा
after
तो हम
using this
वैसे
camera,
आइडेंटिफाई कर
we
सकते
got
हैं।
result instantly within a day or half day. We can
यहाँ पे
just have a
मीटर भी आया
single
है
pit
कि
and
कितना
just
मीटर पे हम
insert the
टी है
camera
या
inside the
ब्लॉकेज है या
pipelines, and we used to get
एल्बो
the
है।
blockages. Our major issues were cleared through it, and we have benefited a lot of consumers just because by using this camera.
हेलो, मेरा नाम सिद्धांत है। मैं एक L&T का एम्प्लॉई हूँ और ये कैमरा एक्टिविटी, साइट ऑपरेशन सब मैं ही देखता हूँ। हम ये कैमरा एक्टिविटी ब्लॉकेज, कंटामिनेशन या पाइप चोकेज इस लेवल के लिए देखते हैं, राइट। तो अभी हम एक लोकेशन पे आए जहाँ पे 2 महीने से पानी नहीं आया, तो हम उसके लिए रिगार्डिंग चेक करेंगे कि कैमरा हमारा कैसे यूज़फुल होता है या कोई कुछ ब्लॉकेज है लाइन में। इस कैमरा का एक खासियत ये है कि हम एक कैम पाइपलाइन में जब अगर पानी होगा तो भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं। जैसे हमारे पाइपलाइन में अगर पानी रहेगा तो उसमें हमको कुछ इशू नहीं आएगा। तो स्टार्ट में हम पहले फाइल क्रिएट करेंगे कि हमारा साइट लोकेशन क्या है, क्या टाइमिंग है, ये सब हम पहले की प्रोग्रामिंग करेंगे। ये अभी हमारा साइट लोकेशन वगैरह सब हो गया है। अभी नेक्स्ट इसमें फीचर्स क्या है, यहाँ पे हमको एक लेंथ मिलेगा जहाँ हमारा कैमरा कितना अंदर पुश हो रहा है, वो एक एग्जैक्टली लेंथ बताएगा कि यहाँ पे अपना कंटामिनेशन है या ब्लॉकेज है, वॉट एवर भी। फिर आएगा यहाँ पे डेट और टाइम, जिसे हम आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं कि हम किस लोकेशन में कब काम किया है और किस डेट पे काम किया है। चलो, बस बस। यहाँ पे अभी टू लेंथ्स आएंगे। एक तो जहाँ से केबल पाइप तक जाएगा वो एक लेंथ है, और पाइप से अंदर तक जाएगा वो एक है। इसमें हम जो अभी यहाँ से वहाँ तक डिस्टेंस है वो माइनस कर देंगे जीरो करके, तो हमारा एग्जैक्ट जहाँ पे ब्लॉकेज है वो समझ में आएगा। फिर एक बार रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट कर देंगे। इसके बाद हम कैमरा को धीरे धीरे अंदर पाइप के अंदर पुश करेंगे। अब जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे पानी है, फिर भी इसका कुछ इफेक्ट नहीं हो रहा है।